Hi, I'm a professional organizer and I'm in the middle of a move. I'm filming everything. So if you want to see more moving videos, see the description of this video. Say, for instance, you're packing kitchen appliances or some fragile decor pieces and the boxes still have space. Depending on where you are at in your move, you can fill the box up with some packing paper or anything bulky, some old linens, out of season clothes even, and get that box shut and loaded. But if you have time and space, consider this: an area where you have boxes that still can be filled and topped off. You want to make sure all your boxes are full because if they're not, they risk being smushed. So you always want to try to top them off as much as possible. I'm trying to maximize each box. So I have a few boxes here that I can still add to, and I have been. This, for example, is fragile decor. I have found a couple little stragglers around that I've been able to add to this box. Now, if you're getting close to the end of your move and it's not the time, you just got to start closing up boxes. Sometimes you can't avoid that miscellaneous box at the very end. Just make sure you labeled it last day of packing miscellaneous. That way you might know, oh, that got packed in that last day.